Okay, so now there's the remnants of the master number 5. There's the Bible on my favorite plug follower, and here's the plug. Now I've already taken my Pippin file and made a key. As you can see, the it brings the pins to the shear line, and now these locks I figured were keyed alike because of the way they picked. And another giveaway was they both had the same type of black paint on them. And I don't even remember when I got these locks or where they came from. I just dug them out and I thought they'd be keyed alike. And what do you know? They are. So, 2 masters without a key. Now 1 working master with a key, and a Bible as well. Just pop that right back in there, put it in the lock position, and may as well go ahead and test that key out. And what do you know, it works like smooth as butter. Anyways, peace.